All right, folks, we're out here doing a quick and dirty valve job on the burn tractor. Got this one done. This one was the worst so far. This, of course, is the bad cylinder that was completely full of water. So let's see how bad this intake valve is looking. The valve is completely stuck, which is amazing. Can you believe it? Ah, jeebus. As you can see, this one is not good. Also, it's got quite a bit of stuff. Dig the majority of the gunk out of there. Oh, that tickles the eyes. It's quite a bit of wear on the top of that. I don't know if you can see it, but this sucker had some, had a couple hours on it, at least. Your valve grinding compound. I chose this kind specifically because it's what I had laying around. Kind of get her started with the screwdriver here. And then, to speed this up, put your finger on top of the valve so you can push it back and forth, and then just and we'll take it out and look at it. There's a couple of smaller pits, but nothing too terrible. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? Thank you. See, that's, I'll run that. That'll be all right. Pop it. And what lies behind door number 4? Hey, it's not stuck. However, remember how I was talking about the uncovered exhauster? Well, folks, bad news. I don't think I'm going to be able to lap that out. I mean, we're going to try, but that's a big pit. Scrap iron. Yeah, that ain't coming out of it. I hate to say it, but the $25 tractor ain't gonna recover from this. And I don't need a tractor bad enough to justify taking this to a machine shop when there's already so many. This tractor ain't worth fixing. Well, you can't win them all. That's all I got to say. Now, what I will do, I will go ahead and lap this out just to see if, well, tell you what, before we go, let me lap it, see what it looks like then. Maybe, man, that sucks, but be right. Yeah, that's really not good for it. You see that? That's not, it's not good. I don't know. And that seat is no better. I've started to do some sitting on the toilet parts hunting for this thing, and so far, after I get, that was assuming this was good. That's assuming the bottom end is good. That's assuming a lot. But after I buy tires, a radiator, an alternator, belts, new fan, like, and that's just that stuff. I don't even know if the starter spins. All new hoses. Let's see, voltage regulator, a wiring harness. By the time I do all that, we are $2,000 into a tractor that in perfect running order would probably be worth about $2,000. Plus, we're missing a hydraulic pump. So that's going to knock the value of it down even more. But God loves an idiot. So I'll lap these one more time, slap it all back together, and torque it down to probably the wrong spec. I'm going to torque it to, 3-cylinder Kubota specs because that's the ones I can remember off the top of my head. The hard lines for the injection pump are shot. The injection pump itself, who knows? These injectors look rough. The glow plugs, they're actually strangely affordable. Yeah, it's looking like the $25 trap. We're going to give it a shot. That's all I got to say. We're going to try. So the cylinder that is scored up the worst has the best looking valves and seats. And then the best looking least scored cylinder has the worst valves. So, yeah, I don't know. You can't win them all. So we got it back together. We did the valves as best we can. As you can see, she's one finger. There's no, and you can hear it hissing out the exhaust. It's a little 2-cylinder, but you shouldn't be able to spin her with one finger. So I think that's the end of the line for the Stiger SL 143. But we will cover the exhaust and the intake. And I think I'm going to list this thing for sale for $100 OBO on the marketplace. I doubt it'll go. I'll give it a week. And if not, it'll ride the scrap wagon. Well, you can't win them all. We gambled $25, and like I said, the battery's worth 10, so we're out 15 bucks and some time. But yeah, she's one finger turning over, no compression. She's done. She's donezo. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I don't know.
Have a great day.
Like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. Yeah. All right,
Bye.
folks, as you can see, the tractor is airborne again. It is pending pickup, apparently. So we'll see. Should be a guy coming with another tractor to take it. So this might just work out. And just like that, folks, she's gone. We, let's see. Got 80 bucks out of it, plus some videos. So we didn't get hurt. He wanted it for the sheet metal, so he's happy with the deal. I'm happy with the deal. It was in. I had fun with it. It's out within a week, so that's the best kind of deal. Now we can get back and finish this. I can't show you further back on this truck because that's a different part of the video, but the 59 build rolls on. So thanks for watching. Well, I know we said it again, but thanks again. And all y'all that comment and reach out. And it blows my mind the amount of people that are interested in watching me roll around in the dirt up here. And I can't say thank you enough. So have a good evening.